Have you ever been hurt by someone you deeply cared about? Maybe she betrayed your trust, left without explanation, or stopped loving you the way she once did. The pain is real. But what if I told you that your reaction to this pain defines you more than the heartbreak itself? Today, we will break down how Stoicism teaches men to deal with heartbreak, move forward with strength, and transform pain into power. Stay until the end, because this isn't just about recovering. It's about coming out stronger, wiser, and untouchable. Heartbreak isn't new. Even the greatest minds in history, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, faced betrayal, loss, and disappointment. But what made them different was their response. They didn't wallow in self-pity. They embraced pain as a teacher. Seneca once wrote, "A setback has often cleared the way for greater prosperity." So today, we take their lessons and apply them to the modern world, to dating, relationships, and how to handle emotional pain like a true Stoic. Lesson 1. Accept reality. She owes you nothing. One of the hardest truths to swallow is that nobody owes you love, loyalty, or kindness. Just because you gave your best to someone doesn't mean they're obligated to return it. Love is voluntary, and when it fades, it's a reflection of change, not a personal attack. Epictetus taught that our suffering comes not from events, but from our judgments about them. If you believe that she was supposed to stay or that you deserved better, you are setting yourself up for endless frustration. Stoic action plan. Detach from expectations. Love freely, but don't expect permanence. If she leaves, don't beg or chase. Accept that her journey no longer aligns with yours. Repeat, I do not control others, only myself. Lesson 2. Emotions are data, not commands. Heartbreak is painful because it activates your ego, fears, and deepest insecurities. You feel rejected, unworthy, and maybe even angry. But here's the Stoic truth. Emotions are natural, but acting on them impulsively is weak. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events." Realize this, and you will find strength. Stoic action plan. Observe your pain without reacting to it. Instead of saying, "She hurt me," say, "I feel hurt because my expectations were not met." Meditate daily on impermanence. Nothing lasts forever, and that's okay. Instead of numbing the pain with distractions, sit with it. Let it teach you. Lesson 3. Never let pain turn into bitterness. A woman who hurt you is not a reason to become bitter, resentful, or vengeful. Many men fall into the trap of blaming all women or closing themselves off emotionally. But Stoicism teaches balance. Seneca advised, "No man is more unhappy than he who never faces adversity, for he is not permitted to prove himself." Stoic action plan. Do not generalize. Judge individuals, not entire genders. Forgive, not for her sake, but for yours. Resentment is a prison you build for yourself. Redirect your energy into self-mastery, fitness, skills, financial growth. Let success be your silent response. Lesson 4. Control the narrative. You decide what this means. You can either see this breakup as a tragedy or a transformation. The Stoics would say, "It is neither good nor bad. It is what it is. The only thing that matters is how you use it." The greatest revenge is not proving her wrong, it's proving yourself right. Not by talking, but by becoming the best version of yourself. Stoic action plan. Change the story you tell yourself. Instead of "she betrayed me," say "this was a lesson that made me stronger." Adopt an anti-fragile mindset. Use setbacks to grow, not shrink. Commit to a personal mission greater than any relationship. This isn't just ancient philosophy, it applies today more than ever. Modern men who embrace Stoicism understand that true power comes from self-control. When she leaves, stay composed. This confuses and intrigues her more than begging ever could. When you feel pain, channel it into self-improvement. Hit the gym and build your empire. When she regrets leaving, you'll be too focused on your growth to care. This is how you win, not by playing games, but by elevating yourself to a level where no woman can break you. Heartbreak is a test. Most men fail by reacting emotionally, chasing, or falling into bitterness. But you are different. You are stoic. You understand that pain is not an enemy. It's a guide. The next time you face heartbreak, remember, she didn't break you. She revealed where you needed to grow. If this video resonated with you, drop a comment below. How has Stoicism helped you deal with pain? Like and subscribe for more powerful Stoic wisdom.